Hi shoe lovers, Felicity here from Becker Shoes. Today I wanted to show you guys the On Running Cloud X3. So this is a really great update to the Cloud X. It's just like really cool looking. They've changed the lacing, very sharp. This is available in men's and ladies in this colorway. And this is a great neutral running shoe. It's great for running, if you're an everyday runner, if you're more of a gym user, this is great for that as well. Or if you just want it like a nice stylish walking shoe, also nice. It's got a durable upper made from 90 to 95% recycled contact. It's got the Cloud Tech and Helion foam here on the outsole. So that's compresses both horizontally and vertically while you are landing, so it gives you a nice underfoot cushion. There's also the On Running speed board underneath here, which helps to take your energy and turn it into momentum, helping propel you forward faster while you're running. There's some nice cushioning around the ankle here and a little bit of extra durable rubber on the high contact points. The On Running Cloud X3.